How you going, guys? I got this Husqvarna yarn tractor here. Um, she's dropped the ball joint that'll be roasting hot off there. Just wanted to share a little technique just to get you by till you can take it into the shop and get it fixed. I got most of this paddock done here using this trick. It just let go again, but you just use a cable tie, something to cut it off. That's not ideal, but and a glove, because that it's going to be hot, that rod there, from the heat from the motor. Essentially what we'll do is we'll use the glove here. Just bear with me. I need to adjust the wheel here a little. Try and get this back on again. Give it a bit of a wiggle. I might have to get the hammer. Oh, that is so hot. Just give me a second. I'll get it on there and come back and show you how to wrap around the tie down. Okay, we got it on there. Just have to wiggle. Just turn this a little bit outwards till you get it on there. And so what we pretty much do is run a cable tie from that top lug knot around the bottom, and then it just holds it in for the time being until you can get into the shop or repair it yourself or whatever you want to do. Got me out of trouble. Still got a lot more to cut, but I'll put the cable tie on and we'll go from there. I'll show you the result. I was just trying to show you how I've got this like set up. Just ran it around like that, pulled it through. We want that to go ahead and tie it here and just hold that in place. Eventually it'll get too hot and it'll break. It'll stop. Pull it up tight like that. See how that's done there? Hopefully the camera. Just kind of around there like that. That'll enable you to get the job done for the day. Ah, shit. I'm not sure whether that was a faulty one, but the last one broke. But hope you can see that all right there. Focus. Phone. Yeah, so we're just pretty much wrapping around that lug knot there, and it's holding that onto the ball joint, just so you can get by for a little bit. Yeah, like I said before. Yeah, this has worked for several hours of mowing. Obviously gonna have to get it fixed properly, but just might get you a bit of out of trouble. You know, just when you want to finish your job off. Hopefully this helps someone. This is with the Husqvarna 2648 with a steel deck, but I'm pretty sure these will be pretty similar in terms of the steering design. Anyway, I hope that helps someone. Thank you. Bye bye.